What's up guys, Robeytech here, and I just wanted to take a moment to go through how our regular PC giveaways happen here on Robeytech. It's a pretty straightforward process. This is all about trying to make it as easy for you as absolutely possible, and you get the chance to enter to win one of our amazing worldwide PC giveaways, thanks to many sponsors like the ones that are happening at the time of recording this video, Falcon Northwest and Corsair, who are giving away a $5,000 prize package for a Falcon Northwest Fragbox PC, and we're giving away a Vanguard and Saber mouse. But let's talk about the details on how you actually win. First and foremost, you must be watching on Twitch. No, this is not an I'm anti-YouTube or anti-Kick or anything like that. This is literally just the limitations of Stream Elements. In order for it to work, Stream Elements only works with Twitch, so you need to be watching on Twitch. That doesn't mean you can't watch on YouTube. Just open a second tab. Enjoy the experience on, mute the video on the second tab and watch it on YouTube, and then you're still earning points. Now, how do you earn points? How do you do this? First thing you're gonna do, hit exclamation point giveaway. That'll give you a link that you'll click on. That'll lead you to a website that I'm gonna show you here in a second. In fact, I'll just show it to you right now. So this is the giveaway site, and the first and foremost, what you need to do is you need to log on, and by logging on, essentially you will now have access to earning the points. So you just need to link your Twitch account with Stream Elements, and at this point in time, as you're watching Robeytech Streams, you're winning, you're earning points to win this PC. So what are you winning? Up here at the top, you can see first and foremost, it's a worldwide giveaway. This is the part I was just telling you about, but this will change from month to month. It might be a Tiki, it might be some other brand or whatever it was, but you can see everything you're winning. And then the light level of what the specs are. This one is a 265K and an RTX 5080. Over here on the left side, you can actually see all of the different ways you can earn points. As you watch, you basically every 10 minutes you earn 10 points. Unless you're a subscriber, then you double your chances of basically being able to earn points. So instead of the 10 points, you're now earning 20 points. And then you can start to earn some of these bonus points down here for things like subscriptions, for following, for gifting, for tipping, all that sort of stuff. So it's a pretty straightforward process, but that's essentially how you earn. Now, this is a great way to use your Prime sub, by the way, because that's free, and all of a sudden now you're earning twice the points because you're essentially you're now getting 20 instead of 20 for every 10 minutes instead of 10. Okay, this is a raffle. Okay, first and foremost. So what you're doing is you're purchasing tickets. Obviously, the more tickets that you purchase, the better your chances of winning this PC. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to have a ton of tickets. We've actually had winners who've won off of only having 1 or 2 entries versus some of the people who've literally had hundreds of entries. All you do is by buying a ticket, you're entered to win. And obviously, the other thing too is you can earn lots of tickets just by being on the literally multitudes of streams that we run here on Robeytech on a monthly basis. In order to be able to enter, all you're going to do down here is to say, for instance, you can see they're worth 100 points. If you have 500 points, you can essentially buy 5 tickets, and you hit buy tickets, and it's pretty straightforward. Now, first and foremost, guys, this is a worldwide giveaway, which means that I will ship it anywhere within the United States at no cost to you. You will have to fill out the tax information, all that sort of stuff. But essentially, if you're in the US and you're a US citizen, you are good to go. For worldwide, the way that this essentially works is you can use something called a relay company. And what relay companies are, this is for people who buy goods within the United States and they want to have them shipped outside. Relay companies allow them to be able to do this. And what it does is it essentially allows me to ship this product free of charge to the relay company. And then from the relay company, they charge you to basically ship it to them, okay? Pretty straightforward process. This is nothing nefarious. This is something that's completely legitimate. Just understand, it is not going to be inexpensive for you, because understand you're gonna have to cover customs and all that other stuff for there. But the thing is it does give us a chance to allow international participants to enter to win these giveaways. These happen once a month. The PCs will change on a consistent basis, and we try to make this as easy as absolutely possible. So hopefully this answers all of the questions on basically how you can enter to win our PC giveaway. Again, good luck, enjoy, and we will see you on the stream.